Stocks with momentum setting up for 8 to 20% move. Let's look at around 33 stocks which are setting up very well for a possible upside momentum. ANAC, which is going sideways for a couple of days. IMGN, then you have DBVT. This is the kind of setups which I like, which go very in a very narrow range near their high. SRPT, ZZNX, RCPT. This is not really this is a buyout, so that should not be here. AMBA, which has pulled back very well. You have Pozen, Atra. As you will see that most of these are biotechnology stocks, so the biotechnology stocks are holding up very well. DVX, ALDR, NVAX, then you have Mobileye, OPST, then you have HQY, which has gone sideways. RTRX, a very mild pullback. EUPS again going sideways. Any breakout will be a big breakout. Bioreference Laboratories, then you have MX, Momenta is again like having a very orderly pullback on low volume. AVG, then Calm, which has been going sideways for some time. Merge Technology, Electronic Arts, then you have Sage, Nuance, which is like near its high, recent high, and going sideways. Breakout will be a good thing. Then you have OXM, then you have GASE, ECNT, Essent Group Limited. See, this is again very nice setup. Ulta, Word, which is a recent IPO. GNRT, which is another IPO. So one of the things, if you have a lot of candidates, which you can do is sort it by float and look at the one with the least float, because the stocks with the lowest float tends to make biggest moves. So obviously, like something like this Merge has a float which is very low float, or if you look at Sage has a float of 7.8 million, or Atra has a float of 14.6 million, or OXM or ALDR. So these are the one which you can prioritize. The one with like less than around 25 million as a float, you can prioritize. There are many ways you can also prioritize using momentum. This is the way this is using momentum. So obviously the number one choice is ANAC because of its momentum, or IMGN or DBVT, which is number 3 ranked in momentum in this particular list. So that's, or even this one. So the top 5 or 6 by momentum, and within that then you can look at and decide which are the one, and some of them might have earnings coming in, so that you have to take factor into before deciding. But ANAC definitely is one of the top candidate. This one, another one. Okay.